how to use Parsec on Android. So if you want to use Parsec on your Android, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open the application. Make sure that you've installed the application from your Play Store. Now, after installing, just open. And after opening, if you don't have an account, you need to just go with sign up, which is right here. Or if you already have an account, you can go with login. So in my case, I don't have an account, so I'll just simply click on sign up, which is here on top. And it will take you to the sign up dashboard. And once you're here, you need to just enter your email address that you would like to use to create your account, and then enter your username. Go with next. And now you need to create a strong password. So just enter your password. Go with create account, which will be on the bottom right here. Once you've created your password, now you need to enter the verification code. So you need to just go back and then open up your mail. After opening your Gmail, you'll have your verification code right here. So just scroll down and then verify your email address. Just copy the code, go back and paste it right here. Tap on submit verification code, and that's it. Your email has been verified. Now, if you want to use Parsec for yourself, then you can go with myself. And then if you want to use it as a team, you can go with my team. So I'll just simply go with myself. And here, as you can see, that it says that to protect your account, you need to download an authenticator app, such as Authy or 1Password on your phone. You need to install this authenticator app and then scan the QR code, open the authenticator app and scan the QR code to the right, which is right here, and enter the code that your app shows. And then enter a recovery email, an optional email, and which will enable the two-factor authentication. But if you don't want this right now, then you can go with setup later. Or if you want to set up this, then you can just simply go with enable and then enter the code right here, install the app, just scan and then enter the code, enter your password, enter your recovery email, and then go with enable your two-factor authentication. Once you set up all of that, you can go back. You'll also have a guide on how to use Parsec right here. Or just go back and then open the application. And here you need to enter the details and log into your account. So after signing in, you'll find your computers, connect to your computer or a front computer in a low latency desktop mode. You need to download Parsec on your desktop as well. Just go to your laptop or your desktop and then download the same app and connect to the same account. If they are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you'll find the connect option or connected option. And once your devices have been connected, then you'll be able to use your mouse using your phone. So that's how you can basically use Parsec on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.